Hi there, Chris Kenny here. Welcome to Money Monday. Wanted to talk a minute about passive income because I think one of the things that I have seen over and over again is that businesses get too focused on trying to create passive income too quickly. They're thinking, wow, I'm going to set up this funnel. I'm going to sell this, $97 course and all these people are going to buy it and I'm going to make all this money and I'm going to sit on the beach and blah, 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 blah. I did not set up a passive income stream in my business till my business was between $600,000 and $700,000. So in my opinion, if you're focusing on passive income and you're doing that early in the business, you're doing it in the wrong order because that's a very expensive, very difficult thing to pull off. Most funnels are not converting. If you're early in business, you don't know how to set up a funnel. What you can do is you can focus on one-to-one. Focus on the one-to-one work that get those one-to-one clients in. And then once you get your one-to-one clients in, my gosh, then you've got some revenue, you've got some capital. And then if you want to start to work on some of that passive stuff or the lower level programs where you can, do the webinar funnel and all that stuff, do it then, but don't do it until after you have several one-to-one clients in. I had filled my one-to-one practice multiple times, over and over and over again before I even thought about passive income. Because, man, when you start that process, it's incredibly difficult to make it work. And I've seen businesses go out of business because they're trying to do it and they're trying to do it too quickly. I'm Chris Kenny. We'll talk to you soon.